Hi ladies and gentlemen, my name is Isaac Pruitt. I'm coming before you with a Quick System Pro, how to make $100 instant payment review. This Quick System Pro, how to make $100 instant payments review, is a system that's going to teach you how to make $100 instant payments. You're not going to have to wait on a Friday to get paid. You're not going to have to wait even 30 days to get paid. You're going to get paid $100 instant payments from this system. So I have two videos that I'm going to play for you. One video going to introduce this system to you, going to tell you all the details about it and what it have for you on the inside. They're going to teach you how to make those $100 instant payments. I also got a video down at another video that I'm going to play for you. They're going with the marketing system that have capture pages that you can use in order to promote Quick System Pro. So I'm gonna play these videos for you. Just hold on right quick. I'm gonna play them for you. Play.
If you like instant payments, look no further. With everything that's going on right now in the job market and the economy, chances are, if you landed on this page, you're looking to generate extra cash online. And if so, I'd like to ask you this question. Would getting paid $100 over and over again help you out? If so, then you're in the right place. Let me explain what this website can do for you. When you become a member today, you see, you'll get access to 10 top quality digital information products that you can learn from and earn from right now. You can learn from these products to increase your online skills instantly. On top of that, these products come with full master resale rights that allow you to resell these products at 100% profit for $7, $10, $27, or more, over and over again. But don't worry, if you don't have the technical skills yet to know how to do this, your membership also entitles you to a reseller license that allows you to resell this entire package, which means $100 paid directly to you. People can pay with Bitcoin, Cash App, Google Pay, Zelle, and Venmo, and even Stripe using their debit card or credit card. You simply decide which ways you'd like to get paid. And the best thing is there's no technical skills needed to set up. When you get started today, you get your very own reseller website that you're looking at right now. That's right. There's no missing steps or hard systems to learn, and nothing to install, and nothing to download or get set up. You simply fill in some blanks, click the button, and out pops your personal link that you can share to get paid. So, what are you waiting for? To get access, all you need to do is pay your sponsor $100 one time to get access to the platform and these amazing products, and then a one-time $10 admin fee for hosting and system promotional updates. Both of these one-time payments guarantee your lifetime access to this amazing Quick System Pro. With these simple steps, you can get started today. Step 1. Send your payment via any option below. Step 2. After you pay $100, send an email to your sponsor. Step 3. Your sponsor will then email you access to this invite-only platform. Step 4. Pay the one-time admin fee and start making sales. It's just that simple. So get started today, so you too can enjoy $100 payments paid directly to you over and over again. That's right, I said over and over again. Check out all the information below. Send the payment to your sponsor, and you now can receive those $100 payments over and over again, starting today.
Hold on, folks, ladies and gentlemen. I got one other video and play the marketing system for you.
Hi, and welcome to our Getting Started video. My name's Leroy. I'm so excited that you're here because this is a great program. It really is. When you think about it, $100 commission, $10 admin, and you get products that show you how to make money online, show you how to get traffic to your website and build a business, all in one complete little package here, a business in a box. So let's take a look at it. Here's the page you're at right now. You just watch this incredible video. I mean, that's really good, right? I mean, it's really a good video. And then you get this video right here that you're watching now. Why are you watching this? Because I'm going to give you a couple tips on basically 2 different ways to market this that you're not going to know if I don't tell you based on what you're looking at here. And also let you know what to expect. So job 1, in just a minute, you're going to click on the Get Started Today button, okay? When you do that, you're going to be taken to a page that looks like this. Now, this video here is the same one you just saw just a few minutes ago. It's the same one, just has a different screenshot. But when you get here, this is the page that the company gives you. When they talk about your replicated page, this is it. This is what you're going to get. And you'll notice it has payment links on here. This is a demo, so it has every available payment link. Your sponsor probably going to have less than 6, probably going to have 2 or 3 or something like that. But again, they're just going to offer how they accept payment. When you create your page, you'll be able to list how you want to accept payment out of all these, maybe all 6 of them, maybe only 1 of them, doesn't matter. Now, here's the deal. You're going to get here and make a payment with this button to pay your sponsor the $100, and then they're going to send you a link to pay the $10 fee. So when you look through here, you'll see this talks about exclusive benefits, including the fact that you get resale rights over the products, which is powerful. Big difference between buying something and then buying something where they say, oh, by the way, you can continue to sell my product over and over and keep all the money, no royalties. Pretty sweet, right? Now, as you go down here, this gives you the step-by-step deal. Basically, is you're going to make your $100 payment. Again, you're going to email them that you made the payment. Now, this is a demo page, so what does it say? It says support at quicksystempro.com. That's not what's going to be there when you click yours. It's going to take you to the sponsor's email address. You're going to email them and say, hey, I just paid you on Cash App or credit card or whatever you did, right? They're then going to email you a link so you can go pay the admin. That's how we do it. Now, when they send you the link, the admin page looks like this. Super short video, has this quick area for you to make your payment. Click this button. It'll take you to the members page where you'll be able to create your replicated site that looks just like the one I've been showing you, and give you access to your products that you can download. Okay, that's how easy this is. Boom, boom. Now, that's as easy as it is. Here's the products. Again, you can take a look at these. Every time you see a disc, that means that this product also includes videos. Okay, so basically 6 out of 10 of the products have videos. You can't beat that for this kind of money. And all the products are basically different ways for you to build a business, how you should build a business, how you should get traffic to that business. This right here is talking about social media marketing. That's Facebook. This is more traffic. You have a list building, email marketing, YouTube, Dominate YouTube, great little program there. Boost your website traffic, which of course is eyeballs and sales on your website. And this one is internet marketing for complete beginners, which a lot of people are going to need. Again, video based, all for $110, and you make $100 every time someone buys it from you. And all these products come with resale rights. Like I said, you could take this one, market this directly, and you could make money by selling this if you wanted to. But most people are going to say, hey, $110 is a complete program, and you can make money, and we have a full system for this already, right? So that's what you got there. Now, as I said, there's a couple ways to market this. One is this way. You pay the $100 to the rep, you pay $10 to admin, you get this page, you can go to town and drive a bunch of traffic to it and make yourself some money, advertise all kinds of ways, Craigslist, buy list, whatever. Now, the other thing I want to show you is the system that your sponsor is using. And that system is a premium system that comes with a capture page that looks like this, which obviously you've seen because you've opted into it, right? So when you opt into this page, you then become a lead. Why is that important? Because you're going to receive autoresponder email, follow-up emails. So that means if you decide not to buy it today, but in a week or whatever, you've got a button you can click on in an email that's going to take you right back to this page. That's why people use this, because they know that if you just send traffic to this site here, they may buy, they may not. If they don't buy immediately, you're going to count on them to have their act together enough to know, here's the link I use, or here's where the page is, or whatever. And a lot of people will not be able to find this later. They'll remember Quick System Pro, but they won't remember how to get to your page, and they'll end up signing up with somebody else. So you don't want to spend advertising dollars where people end up signing up with someone else, right? So what you want is a system to collect those leads. And again, what our pages do is they turn traffic into leads. So now you've got something to work with, a person to email. You know that John's looking at your website. You have an idea how many people are looking at your website and your videos. In fact, we have traffic sources on our system that you can literally sign up with. Again, they're optional and they're professional services, but you can sign up with them and you'll have people in your back office that have already seen the video, very excited. I'm sure some of those people have already bought the program because it's so affordable. But again, you can get leads in just basically hours, 24 to 40 hours, you'll have leads back there. Or again, you can use the training you're going to get here, use other lead sources. I have a guy right now I work with. He makes a lot of money by placing ads on Craigslist, right? So again, all kinds of ways to do it. But this capture page right here turns traffic into leads, and then of course this page here has the same video, again the one that you just watched, but it has this video, which again you've got to ask yourself, If you get a capture page, you turn them into leads, they get autoresponders professionally written, 10 letters over a 45-day period. And ask yourself, does this video that you're watching right now help you understand this business, help you understand what your marketing options are, and know what to expect when you sign up? If the answer is yes, you're definitely going to want to get this system. If not, then go to town, use the company system that you get included in your 110, and rock and roll. If you want this system, it's less than $20 a month with a Get 3 and It's Free program, which means you refer 3 people and qualify starting the next month to get your system free. Or you can pay $120 a year, and you can learn all about that and the system and how to set it up, which is super easy, by clicking on this button right here that says Get a Site Like This. Click on this, boom, you'll learn about the third-party premium system that you're looking at right now. So again, the main thing is nothing matters until you sign up as a member. So click on the Get Started Today button. It'll take you to this page right here. Again, watch the video again if you want to. I've watched it probably 10 times, love it. And then go here, pay your sponsor, email them, you've paid them. They'll email you back the link to pay the admin, and you're going to be accessing the website within minutes. You can literally sign up today and make money and get paid tonight with this program because it's instant pay. And that's what you want in a business, right? So that said, thanks a lot for watching this video. Can't wait to get you on the system. Again, whether you choose to take the marketing system or not, that's up to you. But no matter what you do, you're going to have a great program with fantastic income. And it's super, super easy and super, super simple. And that's what people are looking for. So with that said, thanks a lot for watching. We'll hope to see you sign up on the program today. And we'll see you on the inside.
Okay, folks, I'm back. Ladies and gentlemen, this was the whole breakdown of the Quick System Pro, how to make $100 instant payments review with this, and the Get Started video about the marketing system. Now, you have a choice to get the marketing system. You don't have to get it, but if you chose to get it, but only, like he said, it's only $20 a month. You get 3 people, and it's free for you every month. You don't have to make them money to pay. If you get 3 people that refer 3 people and they pick up the system, it's free. So I'm gonna have a link down below, and if you decide to pick it up, click the link down below. And I'm also gonna have the link down below for the marketing system. And I'm also going to have my name down below and my phone number. You can text me if you got any question. Also, when you go inside anyway, you opt in and go on the inside on the website, it's going to have my picture and it's going to have my phone number. So you can reach out, text me or call me. And then if you have any question, text me or call me. What's so great about this system, you get paid instant $100 instant payments. So I'm excited with it about this system. So, and then they got products in this system that gonna track product in the system that gonna teach you how to make those $100 instant payment. You don't find no system that gonna give you 10 products that gonna teach you how to make the $100 instant payment. They showing you how to get the free traffic, how to make the $100 instant payment. You don't even have to go spend money on traffic. So if you want this system, if you want to make the whole instant $100 payment, click the link down below. And if you want the marketing system, they're going to give you the capture page. Click the link down below, and I'll see you inside. You got any question, call my phone or text my phone. My phone number is on the website. My picture is on the website. You'll see how I look. It's not a scam. It's legit. You can call or text me if you got any question. And thank you, and have a great day. Talk to you soon.